Hello everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity Think Tank. So as we have covered 19th lab, so we are going to start the lab 28, scanning the network by using NetScan Tools Pro. Right, so first we are going to check what is NetScan. So you can see here NetScan Tool Pro, www.netscantools.com. Right, and this is a link to download. You can see here overview of the tool. What is it? So NetScan Tool Pro is an integrated collection of the internet information gathering and network troubleshooting utilities for the network professionals. Research IP version 4 address, version 6, host name, domain name, email and URL automatically or with the manual tool. It's designed to the Windows operating system, right? Simply these are the benefits you can see here. Save the time you need to gather information about the LAN, IP address, domain, device ports and many other network specific. Simplifies and the speed up the information gathering process by automating the use of many network tools for you. Like you can enter the IP address button and you can scan the network. So produce clear, concise result report in a web browser. Greatly enhance many family network tools. This is the option. You guys can download this. You can see here. Right. So we are going to download first. Here's a 30 days trial period. You can click to download. Right. So first we have to fill the form. Complete this form, press submit, then green button is to download. Then we can, so here we are giving my detail, Manish Sharma lab dot demonstration at gmail.com. Here scanning, want to check Windows 8. we are using 32-bit operating system. So then submit. To download the NetScan demo, 46 MB, press button. Download from this link. Here we go. Desktop. I'm going to save it. It'll take around 3 to 4 minutes. Right. NetScan Tools Pro in 2 flavors. Simply install in the portable USB flash device also to work directly. These are the solutions. You can see here the details. right? Number of videos for the YouTube channel they are showing. You can see the program here. This is screenshot, right? So this is the automated tool, manual ARP ping, cache, the welcome screen. Then as you can see here, we are going to use ARP ping on the host IP. This is all about ARP scan on a local network, complete detail. Then is DHCP discovery of the 2 DHCPs on the local subnet. Simple resolve the host name, IP version 6, right? Version 4 to ASN. As you can see here, number of processes with the process ID, the complete TCP IP, TCP and the UDP ports. These are the listening TCP and UDP ports detail. Just the monitoring detail, incoming connection, unattempted connection, right? Sorry. The packet generator for the Windows and TCP UDP ICMP, multiple level of packet you can see here. You can check, select the packet type, so we can select TCP, UDP, ICMP, ARP, RARP, some packets you can select, and then we can send. This is for ping, IP version 6 you can see here. The google.com, we are getting the detail in IP version 6. So ping scan, we are given the range of complete subnet, start, it's working. There's a port scanning, you can see here, number of ports, port descriptions, the protocol. You can see we are talking about the type of port, TCP port, UDP port, and the result, right? Then we have the route table and editor, destination, mask, gateway, right? This is for SNMP, like for network management you can see here. SNMP, right? Given the IP address, you can see here the SNMP, get bulk of. The next is all about your trace route. So number of application you can use, IP, host name, time, and the country. You can see the complete asset detail with the location. Right, so you can start with ARP, cache, ping, back scan. You can see here. Then DHCP we have IP version 6 resolution, version 4 to ASN, then connection endpoint, listening port detail, TCP UDP ports, connections, packet generator for send multiple type of packets, right? The IP version 6 for the vast Windows in Vista, showing the Windows. Then ping scan, giving you the IP range for the whole network. There's a port scan for the TCP and IP type of UDP ports. IP version routing table editor is simply the network destination, mask, and gateway. This is the routing table for IP version 4. This is SMMP detail of the network, and finally this is the trace route, right? So this is all about the tool. Meanwhile, almost we have done the downloaded part also. We are going to install them. So as I told you, sorry, NetScan Pro is integrated collection for the integrated information gathering part for the network professionals, and this is all about the scanning phase. In this lab will show you, and it's very important for the security assessment assignment, right? So you may require to perform ARP ping, DHCP, discover ping scan the target network to detect the live host, their services, their port detail. All these network scanning activities can be performed by using NetScan. So we are going to install now. Yes. See here. I accept the agreement. Next. And then install finally. So the objective of this lab is all about to understand and how to perform the ARP ping scan, DHCP, and the ping scan, and finally the port scanning by using NetScan. So we are going to install this. It's installing. Okay. I agree for the WinP cap. We are going to launch. Start the demo. So here we go. This is the tool you can see here. NetScan tool press the demo version, right? This is based on that 11.72 version. Now we are going to start our work. So first thing, ARP ping. These are the automated tool enter and receive the data. Manual tools. We're going to check. Here we go. ARP cache, ARP ping, ARP max scan, and each and everything, right? We have. Then we are going to do with the ARP ping to start it. You can see here the detail, right? So we are going to give the detail to send the ARP ping to check the MAC address by using ARP. In case we are just forwarding the pings, right? So we are giving the IP here 1.2, right? Send ARP. It's broadcast unicast, you can see here. Here we go. We got the MAC address. You can see here the detail. Finally we got it. This is the IP address, this is the MAC address, right? We can get the detail. So one more. So again we can check on the different system. We can check 1.3. Send ARP to check the MAC address. Here we got it, right? So this is all about. You can see the detail here, the multiple packets, we got it, we send, and then in the reply we got the MAC address of the system in the network. Right, then is MAC scan we can go with. Okay, again is asking, then we can give the range only 1.1 to 1.54, and it's all about scanning. We're sending packets to get manufacturer detail and all. Here you can see we got something, right? Okay, so for saying 168.1.1, this is a MAC address having the manufacturer dealing international, this is a dealing host name. 1.2 having MAC address this is the HP system and the host name is Ducara PC Home. This one we have 1.3 Lithuanian Technology Corporation upon lappy.com, and this one is for Honor Precision India Corporation Limited, the name of the host name, right? This is simply all about, and this is all about ARP scanning process. Once response, right, then we can do something more also. Right, we can go with the DHCP. DHCP server discovery. Okay, then discover, click on this. Check it out. Then foreign parties, advanced DNS tool. Here you can give the host name, IP of the domain name. So we are going the domain name here, cybersecurity thinktank.com, right? This is in case you want to add a note. We are taking the DNS server 1.1. You can see the batch processing DNS tool. What kind of work you can do with the multiple, like we are going for DNS verify, clicking on start. What kind of the batch input file, we need that. Clicking on DNS version. Okay, we need that. You can check enumeration, part of starting time, www.cybersecuritythinktank.com. You can check IP MAC address database. we have already. You can see here 1.1.1.2, 1.3. We can delete, we can add it. Check the network interface, the wireless network, scan the wireless network. You can see here, we go here, we got it. It's Ducara BSS ID. This is having MAC address, signal strength, frequency. You got it. And this is the description. We are going to use the Wi-Fi adapter, right? It's a link. You can see the profile name and this is ID here having the MAC address, the receive rate, transmission rate of the data, and the important part is authentication algorithm, WPA we're using, and security is enabled for the connection. It's not open wireless, right? The BSS network type is infrastructure BSS network, and we are using 802.11n. This is the media type. We are going to use this for this connection. You can see here a lot of things. You can go for voice fingerprinting also. Here we have to give the target. Yes, we are giving here 192.168.1.2. we are going to check the OS of this system. I accept it. Send the packet. Target reached, yes. Host only respond to standard ping, but host didn't respond for the info request, right? It still is working. Sweet to check it out. Then these are some favorite tools also. You can see here. You can add. These are the active discovery tool: ARP Max Scan, DSV duplicate IP scanner. Some we have done. Voice fingerprinting also. Connection monitor, DNS traffic monitor. Packet capture, in case like the packet is going on, so we can capture the packet. Who is? So you're clicking on who is to give the network detail. Here we are giving the domain name like www.social27.com, going to whois by using NetScan Tool Pro. You can see here whois query. It's working now. These are the only DNS tool: core, advanced monitor, packet level, the packet generator, packet capture. I'm going to show you packet generator also. Starting time, the queries social27.com. IP address for this is this, right? The DNS authentication server is pdsn05 domaincontrol.com. Here we go. You can see here the complete detail. Whois, domain name social27.com, registrar godid.com, sponsor registrar IANA ID is 146. So this ID is registered in IANA having ID 146. Reference URL www.godid.com. Then client delete private update, last update is 7 June 2016, creation is in 9 and expiration is on 18, right? Then we are going to use the packet generator tool, but it's only for the limit. Okay, let's see. So you can see here, as I've shown you the screenshot also, multiple type of packet we can generate. In case I just want to generate the TCP packet, interface is this, right? Like we can give IP is 1.4 to the destination IP. We're going to send is 192 168.1.2, right? Send continuously, and you can run. Okay. Select the strict, like example ARP. So you can see here, target MAC field is this. Currently this is this. We're going to send the packet on 1.2. Source MAC address, the destination MAC address, the script we have used 26%. So this is all about, you can generate multiple tools. This is a switch port mapper launcher, right? Packet level, as packet generator we use, packet capture also we can use. DNS tools you can see here, right? Passive discovery, these are the active discovery tools for the DSCP, network routing, or fingerprinting, port scanning. We can go for the port scanning also now. So we're going to scan the ports 192.168.1.3. we're going to check the port. You can see the scan range of the port, otherwise, right, it will take automatically. Then we are just going to scan from 1 to 256. TCP full connect, UDP ports only, TCP. So scan your port, I accepted. We started on 1.3. Here we go. We got 135 and 139 is open in on 1.3. This is for PMAP and NetBIOS, and the ports are in active state. So you can see here the detail here, active, right? You can go for the site also in case we are just going to check on cyber security. Right, I was working on this. Okay, it's going to, you can see here we got only HTTP. Why it is? Because it has been blocked, the scanning part, because only HTTP is working on this. Still we got the IP address and HTTP, it is working to get connect or to access the data or the website simply, right? So they're using firewall. So this is all about, we have used, right, the NetScan Tool Pro. We have done a lot of things. We have done OS fingerprinting, we have done ARP scanning, then we have done ARP MAC scanner, we have a port scanner, then we have used DNS query, we have used the packet generator also. So multiple tools we have done, the multiple features of this tool. So this is all about your lab scanning a network by using a NetScan Tools Pro. Live 20th we have finished. Thank you.